Hello from Shwejal's universe. Earlier in part 2, we have learned about few national parks in few states. Now moving on, let's see some another rest of the national parks in India. In Maharashtra, there are 5 national parks: Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Chandoli National Park, Gugamal National Park, Tadoba National Park, and Navegaon National Park. And in Goa, there is only one national park, whose name is Molim National Park. And this national park was declared as national park in 1978. Now, in Tamil Nadu, some of the national parks are Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park, Guindi National Park, Indira Gandhi Sanctuary and National Park, Mudumalai National Park, Mukurthi National Park. Mudumalai National Park and Mukurthi National Park is also part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, and Mudumalai National Park is the second oldest national park. Mukurthi National Park is also listed in UNESCO World Heritage Site. So this was all about Tamil Nadu's national park. Now in Andhra Pradesh, there are 2 national parks: Sri Venkateshwar National Park, Rajiv Gandhi National Park, and third is Papi Gonda National Park. So I have said 3. Uh, so there are 3 national parks, not 2. And in Telangana, national park is Mrugwani National Park, Mahavir Harinam Vanasthali National Park, Kasu Brahmanand Reddy National Park. In Odisha, Bhitar Kanika National Park, Simlipal National Park. Simlipal National Park is 107th national park, which was recently declared as national park. And Bhitar Kanika National Park is the second Ramsar site after Chilka Lake in Odisha. Now come to Chhattisgarh. In Chhattisgarh, Guru Ghasidas National Park, Indravati National Park, Kanger Ghati National Park. In Jharkhand, there is only one national park, that is Betla National Park. In West Bengal, Singalila National Park, Neora Valley National Park, Sundarban National Park, Gorumara National Park, Jalda Para National Park, Buksa National Park, and Buksa National Park is one of the largest national park in India. And Sundarban National Park is famous for Bengal tiger and mangrove forest. Now in Bihar, there is only one national park, that is Valmiki National Park. In Assam, there are 7 national parks, that is Dibru Saikhowa National Park, Kaziranga National Park. It is famous for one-horned rhinoceros. Orang National Park, Nameri National Park, Dehing National Park, Manas National Park, and Raimona National Park. So there are 7 national parks in Assam. In Arunachal Pradesh, there is 2 national parks: Namdafa National Park and Mauling National Park. In Uttar Pradesh, there is only one national park, that is Dudhwa National Park, and it's a part of Dudhwa Tiger Reserve. In Sikkim, Kanchenjunga National Park, and in Nagaland, Natangaki National Park. In Manipur, there is Keibul Lamjao National Park and Sirohi National Park. Keibul Lamjao National Park is the only floating national park in the world. In Tripura, there is Clouded Leopard National Park, Bison or Rajbari National Park, and in Mizoram, Murlain National Park, Phongpui National Park. In Meghalaya, there is 2 national parks, that is Balpakram National Park and Nokrek National Park. In Andaman and Nicobar, there are 9 national parks like Campbell Bay National Park, Galathea National Park, Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, Middle Button Island National Park, Mount Harriet National Park, North Button Island National Park, Rani Jhansi Marine National Park, Saddle Peak National Park, South Button National Park. That's all about national parks in India. So we have learned 107 national parks in India. We will come with a new video in another video. Thank you so much.